Wait.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is our group presentation about the Philippine speech. Good day, everyone. Today our goal will present about the Philippine speech. Unlike other types of speeches that focus on informing or persuading, this kind of speech aims to amuse, engage, and connect with the audience. The main goal is to make people enjoy listening while speech get the message across.
Entertaining speech, like speech meant to amuse, inspire, or emotionally engage the audience. It contains close humor, storytelling, and literature. Phrase that makes people laugh, smile, or feel lighthearted.
Example of entertaining speech.
Speeches, graduation speeches, comedy speech, or stand-up and social speech.
Tips of delivering or entertaining speech. Be yourself and stay related. Use visual expression and gestures. Include personal or funny stories. Use voice. Practice timing, especially for jokes.
Saitan yan. Saitan yan.
An entertaining speech is all about making the audience enjoy, laugh, and feel connected. It uses humor, storytelling, and personality to create a very lasting impression. So when you deliver one, remember it's not about being perfect, but about making your audience have a good time. Advice. What is the primary purpose of an entertaining speech? A. To inform. B. To persuade. C. To amuse and emotionally engage. D. To educate. Number 1. What is the primary purpose of an entertaining speech? A. To inform. B. To persuade. C. To amuse or emotionally engage. D. To educate. Number 2. Which trait is characteristic of an entertaining speech? A. Formal tone. B. Lighthearted and conversation. Daily. Number 6. How can you make speech more engaging? A. Use facial expression and gestures. B. Speak in a monotone voice. C. Avoid eye contact. D. Read from notes. 6. How can you make your speech more engaging? A. Use facial expression and gestures. B. Speak in a monotone voice. C. Avoid eye contact. D. Read from notes. 7. 7 na. What is the benefit